Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. First of all, we welcome all the attendants to this meeting. We very much appreciate the time and opportunity given to be present today. We feel very honored to be able to discuss the promising cooperation opportunities between PT Topsera Tbk and PT Indo Jaya. Before we go further, please introduce. My name is Luvia Agil and I serve as a marketing staff at PT Topsera Tbk. I feel so honored to stand in front of you today and talk about our company. The aim of this meeting is to discuss our vision and mission of cooperation in the construction of a new factory in the capital of the state. We are very excited about the great potential that can be achieved through this collaboration, given the importance of this project to support economic growth in the ICT region. I invite representative of PT Indo Jaya to introduce themselves.
Hello, Miss Luvia. Thank you for the invitation. I am Siti Fatimah Azzahra, the CEO of PT Indo Jaya. Me and my team, we are very interested to hear more about the new factory construction project at IKN.
We were very pleased to hear that. We want to discuss strategic cooperation in the construction of a new factory at IKN that will produce high quality real food.
That's very interesting. Could you please explain more detail the reason behind uh, the construction at the new factory at IKN?
Of course, Ms. Zahra, we've seen a significant increase in consumption of healthy and natural food in recent years. With this growing demand, we feel the need to increase our product capacity. IKN was chosen as the location because of its strategic promotion as a new economic and government support. The new plant will also be equipped with the latest technology to improve efficiently and ensure high product quality.
And what about the location of the new factory at IKN? Is there any particular advantage of the selected location?
We have chosen a location in highly strategic ICT with good transportation access, close the research, and in line with industry regulation. This location will help us the distributing our product more efficiently and quickly. Moreover, government support in ICT will provide mainly additional benefit to our operation.
That sounds very good. What benefit we can get from this collaboration?
There are some major benefits, Ms. Zahra. First, by increasing product capacity, we can meet growing market demand, which will have a positive impact on increased profit and market share for all of us. Second, this collaboration will strengthen our business relationship and create operational synergies. We are also ready to provide full support to ensure the success of this collaboration.
Could you give an overview of PT Topsera's commitment to our company regarding product quality and sustainability?
Of course, PT Topsera is always committed to maintaining a high standard of product quality and continuing to innovate. Besides, we also implement sustainable and environmentally friendly business practice. We believe that sustainability is the key to long-term growth and mutual success.
I'm very impressed with the plan and the commitment of PT Topsera. What is the next step for this collaboration?
We will prepare a detailed proposal that covers all aspects of cooperation, including benefit, project timetable, and commitment from both sides. After then, we can hold an extended meeting to discuss the proposal and sign a cooperation agreement.
Well, I'm looking forward for the proposal and the next meeting.
Well, Ms. Zahra, We've already discussed all the important points about this collaboration before the finish this meeting. Is there anything else you want to say?
Thank you for asking, Miss Luvia. I think it's very clear and no additional question from me at the moment.
We were so glad to hear that. We are also very interested about the potential of this collaboration and believe that it will bring great benefit to both sides.
I feel the same way. We see a great opportunities in this collaboration and hope to begin the next step soon. We'll wait for the paperwork and do quick review. I'm sure we can finish all the formalities quickly.
Thank you, Ms. Zahra. We'll work hard to make sure everything goes smoothly. May we success together.
We hope so too. See you at the next meeting.
Yeah, thank you, Ms. Zahra.
Thank you.